Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. If you're new to my channel is about travel and adventure. It's a beautiful October Saturday. My kids are all out on their own adventures and my husband Keith is working today. I'm going to take you on a drive about 54 kilometers north of where we live to a place that's all about fall. It's called Davison Orchards and it's a fabulous place to bring the family. Let's go check it out. As you arrive, get your cameras ready. You'll walk through the fun pumpkin castle. You can go right on inside. Davison Orchards is open until the end of October, 7 days a week from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. It's free to walk around and check everything out. They do ask that you not bring any outside food, which is fair. And you know what? Their food was very reasonable anyways. There are so many fun places to take pictures. The displays are just fantastic. This area here is the petting zoo area, and you can actually buy some food to feed the animals right here. There's also a hand washing station, which you definitely want to use after you've touched the animals. Let's go in here and check it out. The animals are friendly and well cared for, and they're so cute. And they really love meeting people and being pet. Check out these cute chickens. And this goat was so adorable. He was so inquisitive and looking at all the people going by and visiting with everyone. He was just so adorable. Just outside the barn, you'll find this awesome kids play area with things to climb on and things to climb through. Those hay bales, you can climb right inside. And check out that submerged truck. That was a favorite with all the kids. You can have your picture taken on the big Adirondack chair or climb into the old barn. Davison Orchards is famous for their apple cider donuts. You can get 6 for $4.99. What a deal. They also are very famous for their candy apples, and they were delicious. They've got some kettle corn here available. I found everything to be quite reasonable. And this is where you come to buy your tickets to take a ride on the train, which I'll show you in a little while. Okay, so they had squash season. Everything was ready here. It was amazing. So you can pick 3 of them for $10. What a deal. Take them home and make some soup. The market had so many cool varieties. Like, check out this blue Hubbard squash. Like, what in the world do you do with that thing? It's huge. And check out this thing. It's beautiful. Like, that's not photo edited or anything. Like, that's actually the color. Look at these. They're just so unique. They also had these beautiful gourds that you could choose from. They're all so unique. Okay, do you ever wonder where to buy those jumbo pumpkins? This is where you would buy them from. They had them all over the place and you could just take one home. And I kind of wondered at first, how do you get that to your car? This is how you get it to your car. They have shopping carts available, or they will drive it to your car with their golf cart. So they were super helpful. Okay, the pumpkin patch rides. So $7 for adults, $4 for kids from ages 2 to 12. Now, if you wanted to actually take a pumpkin home with you and go to the pumpkin patch, it was $9 per person. $6 if you weren't taking the pumpkin home. The gift shop had such cool things in there. Everything you can imagine. Postcards, mugs, t-shirts, sweatshirts. You know how much I love mugs. Anyways, and then through this peeky little window here, you could see them actually baking things that they are going to sell you. And everything was delicious there. So whatever they're making, buy it. As you can see, they have everything. They have cookbooks. They have all kinds of, there's the apple cider donuts, buy 2 get the 3rd free, crumble topping. This was cool. They sold you like pie dough and things like that. So you could go home and make your own apple pies, which I thought was really unique. So lots and lots of baking that they make in-house. Check out these beautiful pies. I thought this was really cool. You could buy a pie crust or pie dough and make your own pie at home, or you can buy the pies there. Lots and lots of unique things here. They had quite a few things that were locally made, like these cheeses and the Okanagan apple essence and farmer's sausage, all made locally. Check out all these toys. They had a whole section full of toys and books and cool things. This is what I ended up buying, this checkerboard set. It was so cool. It's like a mat with giant checkers on it. And people were sitting here all day. I could hardly get close to it. I ended up buying one of these, and I have a link below in the description for you if you want to buy one yourself. As you can see, there's so many things to choose from. The gift shop was actually quite large, and as you work your way through it, you eventually end up where they sell all different kinds of apples, which you'll see coming up here in just a second. But first, let's check out the fudge. Okay, here's the apples. So they have all different kinds of apples. You can buy them by the box or by the bag or individually. So it's whatever's in season. Big boxes there, and actually I found the prices to be really quite good. So 20 bucks for a box of apples or pears. And they show you all the different kinds of apples here. So the Farmhouse Cafe is the area that you'll hang out in if you want to have lunch here. Actually, just off to the right, I ended up getting a hamburger that they were making on the barbecue. That was about $7.50, so that was a good deal. Or else you can come in here and get some lunch. Lots of seating out here available, lots of picnic tables, and like I said, they don't want you to bring your own food in, so make sure that you're supporting this business. So no outside food. Dogs are actually welcome here. You need to have them on a leash though, and you need to yield to tractors. Don't worry about parking. There's lots of it, and they'll let you park right in the orchard. There's also a lot of people directing traffic. Just to give you an idea of where Davison Orchards is, here's a bird's eye view of the Vernon area in the southern interior of British Columbia. Take 30th Avenue, which will turn into Bella Vista Road. It's in the same direction as the airport. Davison Road will be a right turn off of Bella Vista. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. If you want to make sure not to miss out on any of my upcoming videos, click that subscribe button below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Davison Orchards was a beautiful place to be today. Make sure you visit it by the end of October because that's when they close. Also, if you like that checkerboard thing that I bought, the checkerboard mat, I'll put a link below where you can buy one for yourself. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. I will see you next time.